Direct-to-film print technology is solving a ton of challenges for apparel decorators. At Stahls, we manufacture UltraColor MAX, the industry's best direct-to-film transfer. And we do it with absolutely no minimum order and next business day shipping if you order by midnight. In this video, I wanted to show you some of the benefits of direct-to-film transfers in general. And we're going to do that by decorating this high-end Brooks Brothers garment from Sanmar. This garment is 76% polyester, 22% rayon, and 2% spandex. So it's extremely challenging to decorate with any process. But direct-to-film transfers are up for the job, and that's one of the biggest benefits, is that we can accommodate nearly any fabric, any product with high-end branding results, and it doesn't cost a lot of money. The logo that we've created today is to promote a trade show that we'll be attending in October. It's called Printing United. You can learn more about that trade show at the link if you want to meet us, attend our classes, and experience heat print technology in person in Atlanta, Georgia. Now, this particular logo is sized at 4 inches by 1 1/4 inch. So that is 5 square inches. The cost of direct-to-film transfers from Stahls is 6 cents per square inch. So we multiply that 5 square inches by 6 cents, and I have a 30-cent logo here. And the best part is I only need to order one. Let's head over to the heat press and show you how to decorate with this transfer and how we won't damage this high-end garment. Come on over. I'll start by splitting my garment and loading it onto the bottom platen. We like to thread it, and that allows you to be dealing with only one layer of fabric to make sure I get good pressure and I'm not going to get any print through from seams and damage my garment. Now, when I load this on the cantilever design, I'm just going to have the top shoulders come down over the edge, and then I have buttons up on the surface. So I've preloaded this platen with the heat press pillow, so you can see it's a little bit of a lower density. That means those buttons will sink down in. But I am slightly worried those buttons may melt, and so I'm just going to undo the buttons and kind of cover the buttons with the fabric here. And this last button is hanging off of the edge of the press, so I'm less concerned about that one. Then we'll conduct our preheat. Now I'm set at 290 degrees, and I'll preheat for just a few seconds to get rid of some moisture in the garment, make sure I'm dealing with a flat area, and then I'll position my graphic. I'm positioning left chest, so I'm using the buttonholes as a point of reference. I'm also going to pinch top shoulder, run a vertical line down, and my graphic should be centered along that line about 6 to 7 inches down from that top shoulder location. So with the graphic in place, lots of fine detail, lots of colors, I'll lock it down. It's a single step application, 290 degrees, 12 seconds, and UltraColor MAX is a hot peel, which means as soon as the press opens, I can peel the backing, and it's a single step application, and so there's no need to press this transfer twice. All you do is heat apply, grab the corner, peel it away, and I have a completed result, no damaging at all to the garment. So it's quick, it's easy, and you can easily accommodate different fabrics, including high-end fabrics like this, with UltraColor MAX. So the next time you think a garment is too challenging to decorate, consider UltraColor MAX. You can get an extremely high-end look that takes a fraction of the time and the cost that you would with embroidery or another process. All you need is a heat press, the right tools, and the right education for the job. Now, once you start using UltraColor MAX, there is no minimum order, but you're going to pay freight for every shipment coming in, $12 to $15. And so you'll want to make sure that you're combining these 2 logos with these 5 logos, with these 20 logos all into one cart and checking out all together on Stahls.com. This is the most efficient way to order to get the lowest cost possible and the best possible profit on your garments. If you have any questions about UltraColor MAX or the decoration of this job, please leave a comment below and make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.